Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so ma'am
Yes.
is here, okay? So I'm ending. So bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Then don't forget to do the work, okay? Malayalam work, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Love you.
Bye.
Ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please turn on your video.
Yeah.
Please turn on your video, children.
Okay.
Yes, all are ready now.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how are you, everyone?
I'm fine. Good, ma'am. Good. I'm good.
You're good? Abel, you there? Abel, Zaituna, Ruba, please turn on your video.
Yeah, it's loading.
Sarah,
Yes, ma'am.
are you joining today for the first time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, look, you have many friends here. I think you can just introduce yourself to everyone. Okay? Carry.
Ma'am, we went on a tour.
What?
We went on a tour.
I didn't get you. Sorry. What were you saying?
We went for a tour.
You went for a tour. When?
Maybe day before yesterday.
Ah,
We went for a trip
where you
this
went?
Huh?
Where you went?
Silverstone.
Oh,
Nice. Are you in India today? You're in India, right, Mazen?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Silverstone, where was the place? Okay, if you don't know, it's okay.
he's asking whether it's
Ryan,
Adrapalli.
can you don't know how to put a page background?
Okay, Ryan.
no, ma'am.
Okay, ask your class teacher to help you, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, you can get it from the classroom. It is already there in the classroom. From classroom, you can download it and then you can take it from this background. If you click on apply visual effects, you can keep some backgrounds.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, Abel, you there, Abel? Abel, you cannot stay in class without turning on your video. Yeah, okay, it's good. Yes, children. So what are we taking the last class?
Decimals,
Decimals.
addition and
Decimal,
subtraction. Addition and
decimal addition and
subtraction.
subtraction, right?
Yeah,
You are
yeah.
having one homework. All of
Yeah.
you done that?
Yes.
Ma'am,
I was not there for the last maths class because I didn't actually.
Yeah, okay, okay. Yours is okay. Zara, we are actually discussing about decimals, addition and subtraction. Do you know what are decimals?
No.
You don't know about decimals? Anything about decimal? Okay, you can do one thing. Sarah, you can just message me. You can get my number from your class group, or I'll just message you and I'll give you the. You can get the what? I'll just show you. You can get the live class. Hello, Sarah, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Can you see live class video link here? Can you see this one?
Yes.
Yeah, from if you click on this, we can see every class videos. Okay, that we took in the last last three classes. We had three classes in the last week. So you can get that 3 classes videos from here. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. If you have any trouble in getting that, just inform me. I'll invite you to the classroom G4 math. Okay, G5 math. Okay, just accept the invitation for the classroom, and after that you'll get the what the classroom link. Okay, live class videos from the classroom. Okay, Sarah, you can follow me, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, children, we were discussing on decimal addition and subtraction, and I gave you one homework. Other than Sarah, anybody else there did not do the homework?
Yes.
Who else?
Yes, ma'am.
Who else has not done it? Why? Why?
I have it
I
done.
repeatedly said you don't say that I have not done. I was having this issue. I was having that issue. I repeatedly said it before going back from the class, right? Why Ryan, Isha, Bilal, Minha, what happened? Aman. 5 of them have not done. What about Zaituna? You do this?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Not fully done. I had to do a little bit more. Some more.
Ma'am, I'm done.
That's not an excuse, Zaituna. Ryan, you're done?
Yeah, I just thought we had to raise our hand for something.
What?
I thought we had to raise our hand for something.
For what?
I did it.
Okay. Okay. Good, dear. Good. What about Isha, Bilal, and Aman? Isha, your camera is off? Abel, turn on your camera. Abel and Isha, please turn on your video. Okay. Isha, you have not done it?
I don't done. I have a network issue. That's why I not. I don't attend the last class.
You were not done the last class.
Yes.
Okay. What about Minha, Bilal, Aman? Minha, what's your reason for not doing the homework?
I have it done.
Why? What's the reason?
I have it done.
Sorry?
I have a type.
You have a
A type.
headache.
Yes.
The whole 3 days you were having headache. I gave you the Thursday, right? You were having Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 3 days was there for doing on simple homework. The full 3 days you were having headache.
No.
Then why you have not done it? This is not a reason, children. If you are continuing this manner, you will not be getting any such excuses. Okay, Bilal, what's your excuse?
I went to a convention yesterday, and the day before, I went to the hospital.
And anyways, if you are not doing any homework and if you have a genuine reason, you have to inform me. Ma'am, I was having this and this. You can message me personally, right? I was having this and this, so I could not do the homework. You have to do that. Only I gave you one simple homework, right? Fifth question. Only 8 questions was there on that. Just doing addition, subtraction and all, right?
Yes.
Amen, what's your reason?
I wrote half of it.
Sorry?
I wrote half.
Half is not a good way to say it. If you have a doubt, you can message me personally. Ma'am, I don't know this question. Can you help me in this question? I have to submit my homework. Can you help me in this question? In such a way, you can message me, right? So I'll clear it. isn't it?
Yeah, and all other subjects we should include the teachers.
Okay, this is the first and last chance for your excuses for homework. Okay, you have to do your homework on the correct date. I have given, I used to give you, what? The last date for doing the homework, right? Before that date, you have to do the homework at any cost. Okay,
Okay.
I hope Adira ma'am gave you the instruction on the importance of doing homework and assignments, right? If you are not doing it, you'll miss almost 50 marks for your exam in your last term exam. Your CE marks, no, that is looked on the based on your classroom, what? Your classroom in what? How you man your classroom manners, how you used to do present in the classroom, and how you are submitting your assignments. That marks we used to look for the CE marks. Okay, so this is the last chance for you children. You have to do it today and you have to submit. I'm not going to discuss that question again. Okay, you have to. I'll just extend the date. I'll just do one thing. I'll just extend the date to tomorrow. You have to submit it today. No, not tomorrow. I'll just extend the date to today. Today it will be. You have the last date for doing that will be today. After this, after your school is over, you have to do it and submit it by today itself. Understood, children?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Bilal.
Can you give the questions?
Questions I already gave you, right? I said you
La-
to write down the questions in your notebook, and everyone should do in the notebook, right?
Last max class, I had network issue.
So you were not writing that question?
No, I couldn't actually see the question. I actually put it in the chat box, but nobody read it.
Is it? Okay, but you can turn on your audio and say it. No, I was not able to see it, ma'am.
I
So,
like it was like blank. My screen was very blank, so I couldn't actually like tell
so
anything because the microphone was not
Bilal,
working.
do you have my number with you?
Uh, I don't know. My mom only knows.
Okay, anyways, I'll put the questions in the classroom. Okay,
Okay.
I'll put the questions in the classroom. From there, you can get the questions too. Okay, I'll just put it in the slide. Yeah, I'll make a slide and put that question only in the classroom. From there, you can get that question. Understood?
Okay.
Today, you have to do it, everyone. Okay, this is the last chance for doing. Today is the last dance for doing. Sarah, you can also try doing it. It is normal addition and subtraction. Okay.
Okay.
Just only the thing is one decimal point is there in between them. Okay, Sarah, I'll just give you the time to 3 days for doing this homework.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
Sarah. And within this 3 days, you can see our recorded videos, live class videos. If you have any trouble in getting that videos, I'll just send you the link of that. Okay, you can message me personally. I'll send you the link for the videos. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Actually, we got only 2 classes, right? One class we were having assembly, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So only 2 classes are there, Sarah. You can see it just after the class is over. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So children, can we continue the class? We have few more questions for doing.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can
Bilal. One second. Okay. Bilal, is this okay for you? Can you see this properly?
No. The the image was shown before, but now I can't see.
Maybe it's not equal.
You cannot see this properly?
Okay, now I can see.
Okay. So look here, children. So we are doing the question. We were doing the question 6, right?
Yep. You
This
give the
question
question
we
5 as
already over.
homework.
Now we have to do the seventh question. This one. No. Seventh also we already finished, isn't it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we discussed
Yeah.
about the board mass. First we done 1.4 plus 2.56 and we got an answer. And from that answer, we just subtracted this one. And we got another answer, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Now we have 3 sentence question remaining. Okay.
8th, 9, and 10.
Yeah. 8th, 9th, and 10th. So, Sarah, can you read the 8th question for everyone?
Which one?
8th question, Sarah.
Mike and Long take up potatoes.
Yeah.
Mike digs up 8.45
Actually,
kilometers
it's
of
not
potatoes.
8.45, it's 8.45. Okay. After the decimal point, we'll not say it 45. We'll just one letters, one numbers. 45. Okay. 8.45 kilograms of potatoes. Long digs up 10.5 kilograms of potatoes. How many kilograms of potatoes do they dig up all together? So what we have to do in this question?
We have to add.
And
Yeah, very good. So carry on, children. Take your notebook and do the questions, okay?
8.45 plus 10.5, right?
Yeah, you can just write it write it as a sentence question itself. So,
Yeah.
weight of potatoes, Mike digs is equal to 8.45 kilogram. Amount of potatoes, long digs is equal to 10.5 kilograms. So, amount that they dig all together is equal to 8.45 plus 10.5.
Ma'am, is it 18.95?
Yeah.
What?
Ma'am, 18.95.
Yeah.
Okay,
that's the
anyway,
same
I'll
answer I
just
got.
write and show it. 8 point. Sarah, listen very well. This is how we'll write when we add it, okay? 8.45.
I know how to add the decimal points with.
Okay, very good, very good. So that is what I asked you, right?
Yeah.
Then you said you don't know.
I I I forgot what it was called. That's what.
Okay. So this is how we write, okay? So we'll put the decimal point at one place. 8.45 plus 10.5. Okay? This is how we write. The decimal point should come in the same place. And we'll put the point here,
I knew
5
that my
here.
old math teacher taught me.
Okay. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 8 plus 0 is 8. And 1 here. So 18.95 is the amount of potatoes they together dig. Okay,
I got that same answer.
Okay.
okay, very good. So you have to write, take your notebook, everyone, take your notebook and write it in a sentence manner, okay? Amount of potatoes Mike digs is equal to 8.45. Amount of potatoes Long digs is equal to 10.5. Amount of potatoes they dig all together is equal to what? 8.45 plus 10.5.
18.95.
Yeah. Okay, so children, please start doing the ninth question. I hope all of you are done with the ninth one. Sorry, eighth question. Everyone done it, right?
Uh, 10. Ma'am, I'm not done.
Okay, carry on.
Ma'am, I said I'm not done.
Yes, Rayan, carry on.
I'm not done.
Yeah, you can carry on with that eighth question, okay?
The amount of Done, ma'am.
Everybody finished?
I'm done.
Yeah.
Bilal, you are done?
No, ma'am.
Okay, carry on.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done with the eighth one.
Okay. So start doing ninth one, Sarah. Try doing that.
Ma'am, I got the answer. 9. I'm not sure.
1 second, children.
One minute.
Okay, everybody done with the 8 question, children?
No, ma'am, I'm still not done. Sorry.
Okay, make it fast. Rayan, what are you doing? Okay, those who are done, please try doing the ninth question.
Ma'am, I'm done doing the 9th.
Bilal, if you're done with the 8 question, just
No,
write down the fifth question, which was the homework question. Okay, this was the homework question.
okay.
Okay, Sarah can also write it down. Sarah, the fifth question. This was the homework questions. Zara, you're done with the ninth one, Zara. Zahra.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is the homework
Actually,
fourth or fifth?
Zahra and Sarah was getting confused, right?
Some children are collecting.
Yeah,
I
because
was
of the
calling
name.
Zahra. Fatima, why your camera is turned off? Abel, I'm not going to give you attendance, okay, Abel?
Ma'am, is the homework fourth and fifth
The
or
fifth
four?
question only the fifth question.
Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F. There is 6 questions.
Ma'am, I'm done.
You're done?
Yes, ma'am. Could you move to the 9th question? I can't
Yes,
see it.
yes. 1 second. Bilal is writing down the these questions. Bilal and Sarah, you're writing, right?
Yes, ma'am. Am I finished writing the homework questions?
Ma'am, I can't see question number C.
Okay, just move it.
Ma'am, every class, Ruben, Zahra are paired together. I wonder why. Some children are collecting money for the charity. Ma'am, ninth question is subtraction, right?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, all of you are done with this question. Bilal?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, make it fast. Everyone is waiting for writing the ninth one. Sarah, what about you? Completed the fifth question?
Yes, ma'am.
Today you have to submit it, okay? Sarah, I can give you one more day because you are a newcomer. All the others should submit it today itself. The last day of submitting is today.
What is going on there? Man, what is going on?
Sorry?
I'm telling you, Rayan.
I didn't get you, Mazin. Can you say it a little more clearly?
Ma'am, I was telling Rayan that what's going on there.
Okay, okay. Sarah completed the all question A, B, C, D, E, F.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Bilal, which question you are now in?
D.
You are in D. Okay, so should I move to D?
Yes.
Okay, make it fast.
Can you move it to number F?
Yeah.
Number F or letter F?
Letter. This.
141.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So children, everybody do the ninth question.
Okay.
Some children are collecting money for a charity. Their target is $350. They have collected $158.73 so far. How many more money do they need to reach their target? What we can do in this question?
157.27.
Oh wow, very good. Okay, what have you done, Aman? Can you explain to everybody?
Ma'am, is the ninth question subtraction or addition?
It's subtraction, right?
Subtraction.
Yeah. Mazin, what have you done? You done addition?
I was wait.
Aman, just
I was
explain
reading
on
the
it once
question.
again.
I subtracted 158.73 from 350.
Zara, it is actually 350, right? Not 650, isn't it?
Like, their
Yeah.
target is
So look that some children have having some target for charity. The target is $350. Okay. So they have collected $158.73 so far. And how much dollar do they need for reaching their target? What is that? So what they can do from this 350, they can subtract the amount they have collected. Okay. So just subtract 158.73 from 350. Make it fast.
so 350 minus not that. One so that's
350 minus 158.73, right? All of you got the same answer that Aman said?
no. I was I'm going to get it.
Minus 158.73.
First. 3 minus 0, that's not a count. Wait, there's nothing above 7.
Ma'am,
Yes.
about the 7-0
Yeah. About the 7, we'll put 0, right?
and 3
And can we do 0 minus 3 here?
No.
It's 350.00, isn't it? So 0
Yeah.
minus 3 we cannot do. So we'll make this 10 and we'll borrow from this 5, right? And we make this 4. This will be 9. This also will be 9. And this will be 10. So 10 minus 3 is
10
Fatima
minus
Zahra,
3
your
is
answer is wrong.
10 minus 3.
10 minus 3 is 7. 9
Uh,
minus 7 is
9 minus
2.
7. 6. 5. 4.
9 minus 8 is 1. Again, there is 4 minus 5. So we cannot do it. So we'll just make this 3 as 2 and 4 as 14. Isn't it?
Wait.
Now 14
Wait,
minus 5 is
9 minus 7. 9 minus 7. 6.
14 minus 5 is what?
9.
9 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So 191.27 is the answer, children. Aman, your answer is wrong, okay? You said 150 something, right?
क्लासरूम गई એટલે આને headphones લે.
Ma'am, 15 minus 5, right?
Ma'am, Zahra's answer is correct.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10. What?
Zahra's answer is wrong. 191.27 is the answer. Yeah. Amina Zahra, your answer is very much correct. Very good, dear.
14.
Everybody
Ma'am,
understood how I got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. All of you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did not understand. Could you please repeat it again?
Yeah, Ryan, look here. We have 158.73 in down, right? So we have to put 2 zeros in up. Then only we can subtract it, right? So we'll put point 350 and then we'll put 2 zeros here. Okay, that is how we used to subtract, right, Ryan? Yeah. So from the 0, we'll just, if we subtract 0, can we subtract 0 minus 3?
No.
No. So what we'll do here?
We'll add 1.
We'll not add 1. We'll just share it from 5. Here is 0. Here is 0. So we have nothing to share from both of these numbers. So we'll share it from 5. And we'll make this 5 as 4. Okay? Yeah, listen. It's not completed, Ryan. From this 4, we'll take one to here first. Okay, we'll make this 10. And then we'll cut this from 10 and we'll make this 9 to make this 10. Okay? Since everything is 0, we'll just give one 10 here. And from this 10, we'll borrow it again to become this 9. And from this 10, again we'll make it into 10. Got it, everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So, if there is 0 continuously, what we'll do? We'll just share from the 1 that we get it. Okay? And then we'll make all the zeros 9. And the last one will be 10. Okay? So 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 8 is again 1. Now 4 minus 5 we cannot do. So what we'll do? Ryan, are you listening?
Yes.
Okay, 4 minus 5 we cannot do. So what we'll do?
What
We have to borrow it from 3, right? So from 3 will become 2 and we'll take 1 to here, 4. So this will become 14 and 14 minus 5 is 9 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay?
Okay.
All of you got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah, I know. So, can everyone write down the 10th question fast? Those who are not having textbook, please write down the 10th question. Okay, and do it as a homework. Okay, or just do one thing. I'll just give these questions in a slide. Okay, yeah. I'll just give this question in the slide in classroom, and this question will be a homework. Okay. Darius packed 2 suitcases. I had to take on a plane on the suitcase weight 11.284 kilogram. The other weight 8.65 kilogram. Darius allowed to take 20 kilogram of luggage on the plane. How much more suitcase under 20 kilogram he weighed? So what we have to do in this question, this type of question, what we have to do? First we have to add this both and from that answer. And from this 20 kilogram, you have to subtract the one that you get, the result of this addition.
The answer from the addition.
Okay?
Yeah, the answer.
Yeah. So everyone do it as a homework. 10th question as a homework. I'll just give it in the slide, okay? The classroom. Tomorrow we'll be starting the next section of this chapter, addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, children? Yes. Okay. So I'm leaving. You can take your break. Bye bye. Have a great day.
Bye,
Bye
ma'am.
all.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.